Let me show you the fastest way to rename a base in Airtable. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to Airtable. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account, so click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. This is the main dashboard where all your bases are displayed as cards or in a list view. Take a moment to find the base you want to rename. It might be one you've been working on for a while, or perhaps a test base you created earlier. Now hover over the base card for that specific base. You'll see 3 small dots appear in the top right or bottom right corner of the card, depending on your view. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for managing that base. From that menu, select Rename. A text field will appear either directly on the card or in a small pop-up window, depending on your browser and Airtable's current layout. At this point, you can type in a new name for your base. Choose something clear and descriptive, maybe a project name, a client name, or a version number, so you can easily find it later. Once you've entered the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. You'll immediately see the updated name appear on the base card in your workspace. Here's the really nice part. Airtable saves your changes automatically. There's no need to hunt for a save button or worry about losing your work. The new name is instantly reflected across your entire account, including any shared views or linked records. So if you have collaborators, they'll see the update the next time they open the workspace. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your base in Airtable. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to rename a base in Airtable. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.